painting of the sea, and it helps to be able to visualize the components of a wave so that we can draw it accurately. So if we look here, we can see that this wave here has a darker color at the base of the wave, and then there's a mid-range here, and then a lighter color here, and then the crest of the wave is white, or a very lightest color. We can see that these are blue-green colors in here, and so this is what we are looking to create. You can see the reason for the lighter color is that the light from the sky goes through this wave, as this is the thinner portion of the wave, and then darker down here where the water is deeper. And as you paint the sea, it helps to visualize the sound that the waves make as they crash onto shore. And so I hope you can hear that we have some crashing waves playing in the background. Hi, I've taken the liberty of painting ahead so that we can just concentrate on the wave that we're going to paint today. So you can see we have some clouds here, and this is a stormy day picture that we're creating. So we've got some dark clouds, and it looks like there's some rain coming down just by dabbing a little white or light blue in a downward motion will create that. And then we have the horizon line here. Here is the wave that's in the background, and here is the wave that we're going to concentrate on today. And so we see here's the beach, and this is our wave that's going to be coming in to the beach. So we have the bottom of the wave here, which is the darkest color, and then we have the lighter blue green color here, the lightest blue-green color here, and then there's going to be some white. So we're going to create this wave. And since the canvas is dry now, this is going to be some dry brushing that we're using. We're using some white, titanium white, which is what we're primarily going to be using. So you probably noticed that there were little squiggly lines going up on your wave. Get a little more white on my brush here. This is as the water is being drawn upward, coming up from the wave. It leaves little lines like this that you can just tap on your painting to create the illusion of the water being drawn up. This is going to be the big part of our wave here. We're going to have a little splashing, which we can draw. And this will be the big part of our wave. That big part of the wave looks a little bit like an eye, like the shape of an eye. You see it's kind of an oval shape as it comes up to curl over. I have my fan brush here. So we'll be using the fan brush and the filbert as we bring our wave down. And there'll be you know, a varying thickness of the white throughout the wave. And so we see that this is the beginning of the wave. It's starting to come up and curl over here. And then this will be coming down here, like maybe we've already had a little splashing down of our wave over here. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my palette here. It's the glycerin water that we talked about in another video. And also in that other video we talked about clouds and creating clouds. And so I did paint some stormy clouds and just added the darker and lighter grays to that. I really enjoy being able to go to the beach and see the ocean, and I never get tired of watching those waves come in. And so as you are painting, you know, you'll be able to draw back on those memories of seeing the ocean. There's nothing quite like it. Okay, and then we have some, of course, little, or I made that a little too thick there. I'm going to just wipe that off a little. And now I'm just bringing a little blue in that. Okay, I'm going to go and get my flathead brush here and make these waves as they come into shore. It's helpful to think about what's going on with this wave here so that you can draw it more convincingly. There's been a wave that has come into shore before this one, and what do the remnants of that look like? This isn't looking quite like I wanted it to, so I just have some water on here and see what I can do with this to get it to look a little bit like I would like. It's probably spend too much time painting just by going over my mistakes and trying to get it just like I want it, you know, so that I can come away with a sense of satisfaction, you know, that it's looking like I want it to. I wanted to make a churned up looking sea because it's a stormy day. Okay, and I'm going to come back and lay some more white down. And the key is that it's not a uniformly color or thickness. And then of course on the beach there has to be just some frothiness. The fan brush really works well for that. I'm gonna just come back and make sure I got a good curve on that wave there. Take our fan brush and put a little more foam here.